how to turn on or turn off replies on Instagram story. So all you have to do is to go to your Instagram application directly and it will lead you to your homepage. Now, let's see let's tap on messages here. As you can see, there is no send message icon here. Now, if I choose this, as you can see, I can actually send a message. Now, if you want to create a story and you want to remove or add the comment section there, all you have to do is to go to your profile here. On the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there. Just tap on your profile there and it will lead you here to your profile page. And then on the upper right, you will see 3 dash lines there, or the burger sign. Just tap on that. Now go to settings and go to interaction settings. Then go to story here. It's actually under mentions. Tap on story there. And here, as you can see, under the replying section, you will see everyone, people you follow, and off. Those are only the options. So if you don't like to if you want to turn off the replies on your Instagram story, just tap on off there. And basically that is how you turn on or you turn off your replies on Instagram story. If it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Instagram application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.